Citroen is back in the spotlight in India, and this time it's not because of power or performance, but pure visual flair. Meet the 2024 Citroen C3 Sport Edition, a model that brings the look of a hot hatch without the punch under the hood. For drivers who want to look fast without actually going fast, this quirky little SUV might just be the perfect match. Let's break it down. The Citroen C3 has already carved out a niche in the Indian market as a practical, compact SUV with European styling. Now, with the Sport Edition, Citroen is attempting to infuse some sporty attitude into the lineup. But while it may walk the walk, it doesn't quite talk the talk. On the outside, the C3 Sport Edition gets a racing-inspired makeover. Citroen adds eye-catching decals across the bumper, hood, roof, doors and tailgate. The visual upgrades are bold enough to catch glances at every stoplight. The familiar 15-inch alloy wheels remain unchanged, but new C3 Sport Edition badging on the front doors helps it stand out. To top it all off, the new Garnet Red paint job adds a splash of excitement to the otherwise humble hatchback-crossover. Step inside and the sporty theme continues. You get leather-style seat upholstery with sports stitched into the seat backs, along with aluminium pedals, seatbelt cushions and custom floor mats. The infotainment system is a 10.2-inch touchscreen paired with 4 speakers, and the Sport Edition offers ambient lighting and up to 6 airbags depending on the variant. For those who want more tech, there's an optional tech kit, which includes wireless charging and a built-in dash cam, useful for Indian roads where anything can happen in traffic. What's interesting is that the Sport Edition isn't a standalone model. Instead, it's an appearance package that can be added to the Live, Feel, or Shine trims. This gives buyers more flexibility, but also makes it clear this is about looks, not performance. Under the hood, unfortunately, there are no mechanical upgrades. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 1.2-liter 3-cylinder, putting out just 81 HP and 115 Nm of torque. Not exactly thrilling. However, Citroen also offers a turbocharged 1.2-liter version which delivers 109 HP and up to 205 Nm of torque with the 6-speed automatic. With a 0 to 100 km/h time of 10 seconds flat, this version is zippy enough to keep up with city traffic and maybe even race a moped or two. The suspension remains unchanged, but that's not a deal breaker. With 180 mm of ground clearance, the C3 Sport Edition can still handle bad roads and light off-roading. In Indian driving conditions, that kind of clearance is more practical than high-speed performance. Now, let's talk money. The C3 Sport Edition adds just Rs 21,000 to the price of a regular C3. The tech kit adds another 15,000 rupees. Depending on your chosen trim and powertrain, the total cost ranges from Rs 6.44 lakh to 10.21 lakh, or roughly 7,500 to 11,800 US. That's quite affordable for a car that looks sporty and offers a fairly modern feature set. So who is this car for? It's for the urban youth or style-conscious buyers who want a car that looks sharp without burning a hole in their wallet. If your idea of a race is beating traffic at a red light in Delhi or Mumbai, this is the kind of sport that makes sense. The 2024 Citroen C3 Sport Edition may not be a true hot hatch, but it delivers hot hatch vibes on a budget, and in today's price-sensitive market, that's exactly the kind of performance that counts.